Hi, today we are talking about purchase order tracker, and let's have a look how you can utilize this purchase order tracker template to keep track of your purchase orders. So first of all, we have a database over here where we have purchase order number, the order date, expected delivery date, terms and conditions, the name of the company, company address, supplier name, and all the respective columns which you would need. The most important thing to understand over here is that we have a description column, a quantity column, and the unit price. And I have added two different descriptions over here and respective quantities and unit price. If you're looking to add more of these, simply click over here and click on duplicate. It will duplicate the particular column for your reference. And you can add the particular description of the items, input the quantities for that, and input the unit price of that, and it will automatically compute the subtotal amount over here. As you can see, this subtotal is the summation of the first descriptions, unit price and quantity, and the second description, unit price and quantity. If you're looking to add more of these, simply duplicate and add the respective value over here in this formula, and it will automatically compute the subtotal value for you. We also have a shipping cost amount added up over here, which helps to include in the purchase order. And finally, we have a tax rate in percentage that is added up over here, and we get the total amount over here. And then there are notes if you are looking to add that. This is the database you need to maintain. And when you're adding all this information in the database, you can see that we have a purchase order summary at the top, which shows the total purchase that has been made. This is nothing but obtained from the summation of all these purchases that we have over here. And then we also have the units that have been ordered. So the units that have been ordered are calculated from these quantity columns that we have over here for both the particular descriptions. And as you add more descriptions and more quantities, make sure you update all these formulas over here, and the respective values will also get changed in the database. Then we have the average order value, which is nothing but the total purchases divided by the units ordered, and this is getting computed automatically. And finally, we have a client summary. So we have added three different clients over here, that is ABC Solutions, XYZ Manufacturing, and LMN Enterprises. For these three clients, we have the total purchases value getting reflected, total quantities ordered from each of these clients, and the average order value of each of the client. This is just a quick and easy to use purchase order tracker template. And if you're looking to customize it further, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll help you assist on this. But as of now, this is a very simple template which you can use to keep track of your purchase order expenses. And if you're looking to also generate PDF documents for this particular purchase orders, I do have a solution for you, which I'll be showing in a while. So just continue watching this video to know how you can generate PDF documents for purchase orders. So as you can see, in order to generate PDF documents for a particular template, you need to first of all log into pdfoutput.com. So as you log in, you will have this kind of interface on your screen where you can choose a particular template from the drop down. So make sure you click on the drop down on the left and search for the particular template from here. So in our case, we are using purchase order template. Click on that and you can select the desired currency from here as well. Okay. If you're not finding any currency, you can request a currency from this window over here, and for the same reason you can also request a template from here if you're looking for a particular template. And make sure you're under the single PDF mode. Single PDF helps you to generate PDF documents one by one. I'll also be explaining how you can export bulk documents in one go. But as you can see, this is a purchase order template that is put up over here on the screen, and I've gone ahead and filled up information for your requirement. So we are looking into this first particular row of purchase order, that PDF that we're going to generate, which has an order date of February 16 and expected delivery date of February 28. And let me also revise that. So order date is correct, and let me revise the expected delivery date to be 28th of February. Okay. The rest of the information I've just gone ahead and copied from this particular database that you can see over here, and I filled in the description and all these things. So once everything is filled up until the bottom, you can see everything is getting reflected. Total amount is coming $1744, and if you scroll to the right, you can see the same amount coming up over here. Okay, and now it's time to generate the PDF. So I'll just click on download PDF, and it will take a second, and you can see the PDF is generated. Let me open up this, and you can see we have this purchase order which has come out to be very clean and precise with the respective currency that we have added. Okay, if you're looking to use a different currency, simply click on this and choose any other currency as per your choice. Let's say I'm selecting euro currency, and you can see everything gets updated instantly. And if I click on download PDF, it will now generate in the euro currency for our requirement. Okay, so now you can see everything is showing in euro currency. So this was the dollar sign, dollar currency, and this is the euro currency. So the purchase order has come out to be clean. So you can use this particular template from here to generate a document. If you're looking to export multiple documents in one go, click onto the bulk export mode, and simply fill in all the details over here that you had just seen in this database. Okay, so fill up all the details, and once everything is filled up, you can download individual documents by clicking over here, or you can download all the documents in one go by clicking on download all PDF. So make sure you add multiple rows by clicking on this add new row, and keep on filling all the information in one go. Click on download all PDF, it will download one by one from here. I'll be soon adding a Notion integration, that is which will have a support for the Notion database. So you'll have an option somewhere over here to select the Notion database from here, and you can directly export. You can directly add the information over here, and you can just click on export or download over here. It will generate the PDF reading the information from the Notion database. I hope this explanation was quick and easy for your understanding on how you can use this purchase order tracker template, and how you can also generate PDF documents using pdfoutput.com, which will help you generate PDF document for purchase order. We have a lot of different templates coming up in the future, so make sure you check out every template that you would require for. You can also use this feedback window to send me any feedback that you would have, and I'll be happy to take that into consideration to make this product more better for you. Okay, so let me know how you found this helpful, and I'll be happy to listen to you. Thank you.